Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 haloalkenes and haloarine பார்த்துட்டிருக்கோம். In this sections we can learn about that physical properties of haloalkenes. Physical properties of haloalkenes are very novel, that is A R X. This is structure of the compound is benzene attached with halogens. Whatever X or whatever may be, okay. So now let us see first point of that physical properties. I am taking that boiling point of haloalkanes. This boiling point of haloalkane is very important. This boiling point of haloalkane is depends upon that halogen groups. It depends upon that halogen group. So what are the halogens family in the elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, so these are the halogen groups. So they all are very noble. There is the atomic number of 9, 17, 35 and 53 something. Okay, so this is the 9 to 53. Which element will be higher atomic number? Iodine is a very high atomic number. So density of the element is iodine is higher. So this halogens, this 4 halogens attached with benzene ring, which element having a higher atomic number? That element is that molecule substance having a more boiling point. So let us see that what are the substituent group. I am taking here C6H5. Okay, fluorine, C6H5. Most of the fluorine not attached with that, but I am taking for just an example. So chlorine, C6H5, bromine and C6H5 and iodine. Let us see all the halogens attached with the same aryl group, but differ only halogens. So these halogens, which halogens having a higher density, higher atomic number? Iodobenzene. So this iodobenzene having a more boiling point compared to other halogens. So let us see fluorine, chlorine and bromine, iodine. So chlorine is compared to bromine is a lesser boiling point and iodine is a higher boiling point. Very important, this boiling point order. This is the increasing order of boiling point of halogen substituent along with the aromatic groups, aromatic benzene ring. Let us see that melting point. So melting point of haloalkenes is depends upon disubstituted haloalkenes. It is depends upon the position. Let us see, this is our benzene ring. This benzene ring is delocalized pi-electron. This is ortho, meta and para position. This ortho, meta and para position mostly possible is substituent is depends upon ortho and para position. So this disubstituted haloarenes is only possible for more melting point is. I can write here, this is our benzene ring. Okay, let's see. All are benzene ring I can write. I generally taking a chlorobenzene. This is also chlorobenzene. This is also chlorobenzene. Just I can replace attached with orthochlorobenzene. So orthodichlorobenzene. This is meta position of chlorine or otherwise a para position, whatever you taking. Meta dichlorobenzene. So next one is para dichlorobenzene. Para dichlorobenzene. So let us see This ortho position is adjacent to main substituent. Both the groups are adjacent. This is an 180 degree, approximately 180 degree. Approximately 120 degree is nearest to. So this is a 180 degree. It's a symmetry forming. This is a symmetric form, planar form. This is a more stable and it should be a high melting point. High melting point. So para position is a more melting point compared to ortho and compared to meta position. Compared to is a meta position. Very important. When which of the following in a disubstituted halobenzene or a disubstituted dichlorobenzene, which positions are a high melting point? Asking. So this is the main important is a para position. What is the reason of this para is a more stable? Means it's have a symmetry form. It is have a symmetry form. This both are is in opposite structure. Opposite stretches. So it is a melting point order. That melting point order, the substituent depends upon that para, ortho and meta position. This is a melting point order. It depends upon a decreasing order. But boiling point I can write on an increasing order. More boiling point is iodine and more stable melting point is a para position. Let us see here. Next one property is a solubility. Very important. Okay, this haloalkenes, it does not dissolve in a water. It does not dissolve in a water. It is insoluble. Insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvent. Organic means our non-aqueous solvent no solvent. That non-aqueous solvent means CCl4, methanol, ethanol. This compound is a non-aqueous solvent. This is a basic example. What is the reason why it is not dissolved in water? Means it does not form a hydrogen bond. What is the reason here? It does not form. It does not form hydrogen bond. It does not form hydrogen bond between water and a CX bond. Okay, next you can write a density. This density is a halo C6H5Cl is a heavier density compared to water. Heavier density compared to water. How can I find out? Water, you know water density is having molecular formula 2 times, oxygen is at 1 time, here 2 ones are 1s, here 16, so totally 18, but here 6 carbons, here 5 hydrogens, here 1 chlorine atom. What happened here? 6 carbons, 6, 12, 2, 6, 72 and 5, 35. You can add 12, 1, 112. So more density of the compound is compared to water is the haloalkanes. In a higher densities, maximum you have substituted for iodine, bromine, fluorine and chlorine and fluorine. So more density haloalkane is a iodine is attached with the benzene ring is a more density compared to other halogens. Let us see what is happening in this video. This video, what are the physical properties of haloarenes? Very important points. 5 mark also. Generally, haloarenes represented this form. What is the boiling point of haloarenes? Halogen is you can 4 elements. I can write on that atomic number. So I can attach with the phenyl group, the benzene ring, more boiling point of that compound, which having a higher atomic mass or a element atomic number attached with the aromatic ring, that is have a higher boiling point. In melting point, this is the position of the benzene ring, ortho, meta and para. Para positions have a more boiling point because what is happening here, very important, is having a symmetry. Symmetry form, very important point. Symmetry form this para to para position is the more stable and it is also a high boiling point compared to argon metal. Okay, most substituent group is attached with the most substituent is attached to argon para position. Argon para position. Let us see what is the solubility. Haloalkanes does not insoluble in water. What's the reason? It does not form a hydrogen bond, but it is soluble in organic solvent, carbon tetrachloride, sulfur dioxide. What are the organic solvents? I can write down acetone also and ether form. These are all the solvent for chlorobenzene, but the density of the compound is compared to water and chlorobenzene is a heavier density. I put examples right here. This is a molecular formula. I can mass calculated here 112, but the water mass is a 18. Which one is a greater? Haloalkanes, that is a chlorobenzene is a greater density compared to water. Thank you for watching this video, students.